Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here. Here we have another NASCAR Authentics hauler. This time from Front Row Motorsports, we have Michael McDowell's 2021 Daytona 500 win hauler. Let's get his hauler out of the box. Now his hauler is different from this hauler because this hauler represents his Daytona 500 win, where his real hauler does not have this. Anyway, the casing's off. And the truck is up. Now, obviously, Front Row Motorsports 34 hauler is yellow with some red because to represent Michael McDowell's car Loves. So on the side here is his actual car, his winning car, and the car he won at Daytona. And there he is with the Daytona 500 trophy. And on the other side here, his winning car again, this time with him getting the checkered flag and celebrating. So on the side here, we have 34, his name, Loves, knows that in Front Row Motorsports, the 38 and the 38 used to have Loves, and then it was switched to the 34. So Loves, Speedco, Speedy Cash, and FR8, which are his sponsors and his teammate sponsor, which is Anthony Alfredo back then. Now it's John Hunter Nemechek. On the back, you see his car doing a burnout, Loves, Speedco. And just like all the NASCAR Authentics hauler, they can fit any 1/64 scale car inside. So here's the truck. Just a simple yellow, Loves, Speedco, the 34. And that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.